In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix all errors in Assetto Corsa. So first thing you want to do is open Steam and here find your game. I'll show this as an example for this game. Follow same steps for Assetto Corsa. So right click on Assetto Corsa, properties, install files, and then verify integrity of game files. Next, go to browse and then find Assetto Corsa.exe. Right click, properties, compatibility, and then enable these two, and then enable this one, apply, and then okay. After that you can close this down, then close this down. So here I recommend to try to restart the Steam and the game. So go to task manager, and then if you see any game running, so if you see Assetto Corsa or Steam, just make sure you shut it down. So right click and then end task. Then in details do the same thing, right click and then end task. So here, if you open here, you'll see Steam. Make sure you exit it from everywhere. You make sure you don't want Steam running here because you're gonna have to try to restart everything from the beginning. So once you have this done, you can try restarting your computer and this should fix it.